Changing the motherboard in my Atomstack A40 Pro V2.
Tiptoe because my heels hurt so bad. Like when I went to the Good Feet store, they allowed me to try on the arch supports. I walked around and I started sobbing because I had no pain.
I work 8 to 10 hours a day, probably 60% of the time I'm on my feet. I had pain in my feet. Like the second or third day after I left the store, no pain. My feet never hurt. My legs, I have no pain. Everything's gone. Zero pain. Unbelievable. Book your free fitting from the Good Feet store at goodfeet.com. Or just stop in. We have locations throughout Northern California. Find the one nearest you at goodfeet.com. Come in for your free fitting and test walk at the Good Feet store today.
Dan, price check and lumber.
Excuse me.
Yes. Hi. Welcome to Big Box Hardware and Lumber. What can I help you with today?
Well, I want to save money on my electric bill. What do you suggest?
That's easy. MID.org.
Excuse me?
MID.org, the Modesto Irrigation District's website.
How will a website save me money on my electric bill?
MID has a whole catalog of energy-saving rebates on devices and equipment to make your home more energy efficient and save you money. Rebates on everything from smart thermostats to induction cooktops. They can even do a free energy audit on your home and give you more ideas on ways to save. If you want to save, this is where I would start.
Wow, MID.org. I'll check it out.
Glad I could help. You have a good day now.
Oh, one more thing. We're thinking about buying an electric vehicle. Do you know anything about home electric vehicle chargers?
MID.org.
MID.org. Of course.
Make MID.org your first stop when thinking about saving energy, saving money, or even purchasing an electric vehicle.
Are you a recent grad who's passionate about helping others? All you need is an associate degree to make a difference. Turn your passion into a lifeline for youth as a certified wellness coach. Learn more at cawellnesscoach.org. Supported by the California Department of Healthcare Access and Information.
Andy's first oil change wasn't as hard as she thought, because she went to AutoZone, where a friendly AutoZoner helped her find the right oil and save on her oil filter. He explained the job and showed her free how-tos on AutoZone.com. When she was done, AutoZone recycled her old oil for free. No hassle.
Getting the Wi-Fi antenna unplugged. It's on there pretty tight. Yeah, there we go.
Restrictions apply.
Millions of Americans take medicine like Ozempic and Zepbound. Many of them are overpaying by thousands of dollars a year. These GLP-1 medications for diabetes, weight loss, and more
Okay, to
may
talk
not always
to.
be covered by your insurance, but GoodRx can help. GoodRx helps you save every month on prescriptions at over 70,000 pharmacies nationwide. Best of all, it's free to use. Check GoodRx to save on GLP-1s. Just go to goodrx.com/GLP. That's goodrx.com/GLP. GoodRx is not insurance, but can be used instead of insurance, including Medicare and other federal and state-funded programs.
It's time to say goodnight to that check engine light with the free AutoZone Fix Finder service. It'll help troubleshoot the likely cause of your light for free, so you can drive with peace of mind. Restrictions apply. Get in the zone. AutoZone. Why should you buy from Valley Kia this spring?
Thought I had the needle nose closer. I had to get that. Apologize. There we go. Goes under all of that. what had happened is I plugged in the Atomstack rotary R1, and it burned something out on this because it wouldn't move. And I had to go through Atomstack.com. Support team's a little slow because they're always busy. So I went to the Facebook page. By going through the Facebook page, they have people there that help people out quicker with their problems, and they decided it was the motherboard for the second time. If I could get this to turn. There we go. Yeah, I'm just playing this video, so if I mess up, you're gonna see it. If I don't, well, power to me, I'm getting better at it. So I don't lose the little nut to hold that on. Give it a spin or two here. There we go. Turn it over to see if we can find any burnt spots. I don't. I just don't see where it could have went out. Is it the same numbers? This is the version 3, so something has changed. The one I'm taking out is the version 2. A little bit more plating on the back. Well, maybe this will be a little tougher. God, I hope so. I've been down for a long time this time. But patience is what you need to do with Atomstack, apparently.
The Valley's Rock Station. If you would like to go check out Stained and Breaking Benjamin in the city of your choice, we'll fly you there. You get your airfare, hotel, and premium tickets to the show. Plus, an autographed guitar from both bands. All you need to do is put us your #1 preset on the underrated list, and then click on Contact.
Out with the old, which I don't see what could have went wrong in it. I don't see any burnt transistors or anything. I have no idea what it could have caused it. But that's that. Before I plug this in, I'm going to put that on pause and do a continuity test. Once again, from here, this point, oh, my fat fingers, from this point here to the other end of the same plug, same wire setup, make sure we don't have a broken wire, which I don't see how it would be possible either. I haven't used it that much. But this is Atomstack for you. I'm starting to believe. So, on pause it goes.